Beneath the surface of the ocean lies a hidden world of wonders. The deep ocean is the last frontier of exploration on planet Earth, but in recent decades, scientific advancements have opened a window into its many domains and brought to light discoveries that are redefining our understanding of life in the oceans. In 2023, Schmidt Ocean Institute set sail a new research vessel to unlock its mysteries, named Falkor 2. These are the stories of Falkor 2, and its first chapter into a lifetime of exploration.